All right, so we are now in the Monopoly Go game, and this is our board right now. So to attack opponents, before we could switch opponents that we want to attack, we would need to land on these train tiles right here. So zoom in a bit, so you can see one here. There's one every line. So there's one there. There's one there. There's the other one, and then this is the last one. So we need to play the game and land on the train tiles. So let's play a game. Oh, by the way, before we do that, so when you land on these tiles, it's either you'll be able to shut down somebody, and it's like a mini game, a tic-tac-toe kind of game, like where you get three of the same icons on the board, or you are able to attack somebody. So that's what we want to do. So let's play the game. Let's see if we could land on a train tile. Looks like okay. Pass go. Okay, nice. We got 42,000 rent. Oh, we are times 10, so we don't want that. Let's just do times 1. We have a video about that. So we have a lot of rolls with us. So get 4,900, I mean. So it's just a matter of RNG. Oh, we got jailed. So we need to, there you go. I don't need to pay for anything. So we need to land on these train tiles again. Oh, we got one shield. That's pretty close. We need just one more. Okay. Let's just, please. Oh, we passed it. What is this? Click 300. Cool. But we need to land on one of the train tiles. We passed one again. We're getting pretty close. We're getting pretty close. Another shield. Man, we are either just overshooting or just short. This is annoying. But hey, this is how you do it. There you go. Okay, we have a train tile, and now we have a shutdown. So as you can see here, that is our target, that person. And as you can see here on the bottom of the screen, it says switch opponent. So tap on switch opponent, right? And choose, let's take a screenshot. Let's choose a random player, right? And then you can just, again, you can just attack anything here. So let's attack this one. And it's shielded, which is fine. We still collect $6,000, so tap on collect. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you switch your opponent when you attack somebody on Monopoly Go. And hope you like the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.